This was an amazing ride. We started out with decent weather, but then we got rained all over and we were soaking wet, and then everything finished in really good weather. We stopped near some people just sitting at the beach. Ever since I was doing my research into buying an adventure motorcycle and ended up with the Africa Twin, I've always wanted to try a Ducati Desert X, mostly because I really like the way they look, but also all the reviews made me want to try one, but I didn't get that chance. So I am in Gran Canaria right now, and together with a friend of mine we found this really friendly place that rents amazing motorcycles. So I got myself a Desert X and he got himself an Africa Twin, and we got the chance to ride them through the amazing roads of this beautiful island. Unfortunately for me, taking these bikes off-road wasn't an option. I imagine it's a policy thing, probably tied to insurance. A real shame, because I was hoping to pick up a few tips from Adrian, who's pretty experienced with off-road riding. But honestly, with roads like this, who could complain? Gran Canaria has some of the most stunning mountain routes I've ever seen. The twists, the turns, the jaw-dropping views, it's the kind of riding that makes you forget all about rules and just enjoy the moment. For now it was all about getting to know the bikes, soaking in the scenery and letting the road lead the way.